Hey guys, how's it going? Today I have a freaking piece of crap 2003 Lincoln Navigator. So there's an issue with it. So my 10-year-old daughter's gonna start the car. Okay, this is what here it sounds like. See, the car doesn't start. This is an issue since we have the car. Thanks for watching. Check out whatever video pops up here today.